Gusto mo ng lips na soft, fresh, at effortless tignan buong araw? This creamy velvet shoe tint in Plum Pie might be your new everyday favorite. What I love about this tint is dual purpose siya. Pwede sa lips and sa cheeks. Lips plus cheeks in one. Soft matte finish. Lightweight peel. Sobrang creamy and smooth niya i-apply. Parang velvet texture na dumudulas lang sa lips. And look at that finish. Matte siya, pero hindi mukhang dry. Soft looking lips, hydrated effect, fresh everyday glow. Ang ganda rin niya gamitin as a blush because nagbibigay siya ng natural healthy color sa skin. The shade Plum Pie is perfect for everyday use. Hindi siya sobrang tapang, pero enough para instantly gumanda at maging fresh tignan. Hindi rin siya sticky gamitin kaya comfortable siya suotin kahit matagal. Perfect kapag gusto mo lang ng quick makeup look pero effortless pa rin tignan. From plain to fresh in just seconds. If mahilig ka sa soft, matte lips na comfortable and natural looking, super worth trying nito. Would you wear this shade every day? Save this for your next lip tint obsession.